In this video, we're going over how you can change your PSN account region on a PS5 as well as on mobile. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you want to go ahead and change your PSN account region directly from your PlayStation 5, even if you don't have access to your PlayStation 5 right now, you can also do this on the PlayStation app on your smartphone. Begin by actually going to your settings and then go to users and accounts. From here, go ahead and wait for these accounts to load. It might take about 30 seconds for it to fully load. But once it does load, simply go ahead and choose the option for address just like so. From here, you'll have the option to change your postal code, your city, and your state. States are the preset and each one may have different tax implications. Just keep in mind there's no direct option here to change your PSN region entirely, just because Sony doesn't allow full region changes. Your two options if you move to a different country is to keep your existing account, which is fine and completely legal. Just make sure your payment method matches your PSN account country. For example, a UK credit card isn't going to work on a US PSN account. And on top of that, you could also create a new PSN account for your new country and just game share with your old account so you don't lose access to your games. If you do need help with game sharing, I have a full video tutorial on that. Just search it up or just go to the channel and you'll see it. But that's how you can change your account region here on PlayStation 5 as well as on PS Mobile. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.